Hey guys, so you can see I opened up my hijabs. The first one I opened up was this one. It has like a sheen to it, but I'm noticing all these threads and it has the strangest smell, like it was put away wet. Like it's a really damp, kind of a mildew smell. I don't know. Shiru, get out here. Shiru was even like, what is that smell? But I don't know what these threads are. I think maybe they just got left over. I don't know. I don't see like any rips or tears or pulls or anything. So maybe that's just like a leftover thread. But I really wasn't expecting that. And the smell, it's just like the weirdest. Oh, I can't. It's like a weird. You know when you leave like your towel for too long, you know, to dry the sink and stuff. Like it smells like that. The rest are okay. Yeah, these are all okay. This one looks really pretty. It's a little bit more peachy than I thought it was gonna be. It had a couple weird marks. Like, I don't know. It's just a little disappointing is all really. Because everything, and then yeah, this one had this like small flaw right over there. It's just how like everything looks so professional on their website and stuff that you really don't expect it to come out looking like that or smelling like that. I mean, you always expect packaged things to have some kind of like manufacturers, like when you buy new clothes and stuff, there's that smell. But this is like, and it feels kind of damp, like it's still kind of like it was put away wet. And this is viscous exactly like this one, and it feels different. I think maybe because it has the sheen or whatever, but I just like, I gotta wash it, and now I gotta look up how to wash it because it smells so bad. Oof. And this is that headpiece. Can't wait to try. Hopefully, you know, all these things are pretty expensive, so hopefully they all turn out good. Seems like it would. So stay tuned.